So d by dx of sine inverse of 5x plus 12 root 1 minus x square by 13. Actually we did similar type of problems in the last class, and that is I think so 15th one, a cos x plus b sin x, like that. We took there see a by root of a square plus b square as cos alpha and b by root of a square plus b square as sin alpha in that problem. In the same way here, if you observe, we need to calculate d by dx of sine inverse of this one. Just look here, I will write it like this: sine inverse of 5 by 13x plus 12 by 13 root 1 minus x square. Is it clear? And then when you observe this 5 by 13 and 12 by 13, sum of the squares of these two quantities is 1. Pi square by 13 square plus 12 square by 13 square is 1, and so you just take this x by 5 by 13 as some cos alpha, then automatically this 12 by 13 will become sin alpha. If you say 5 by 13 as cos alpha, then 12 by 13 will become sin alpha. And in the same way, you just take x as, say something I am going to say, x as some sin theta. If x is sin theta, then root 1 minus x square will become what? Cos theta. So to simplify this, I am just taking x as sin theta and 5 by 13 as cos alpha. With that, the next step is this: sine inverse of cos alpha into sin theta plus sin alpha into cos theta. Okay, so we are taking x as sin theta, 5 by 13 as cos alpha, and sin alpha cos theta plus cos alpha sin theta is sin of alpha plus theta. So this is sin inverse of sin of alpha plus theta. Now this sin inverse and sin gets cancelled. We left with alpha plus theta, and we need to apply d by dx for this alpha plus theta. Then it becomes d by dx of alpha plus theta. Here this alpha is a constant. Why? Because we took 5 by 13 as cos alpha. So since 5 by 13 is constant, cos alpha is constant. So for alpha the derivative is 0 and plus d theta by dx. Further, we need to convert theta into x and then we need to differentiate. X is equals to sin theta. We took that x as sin theta, so theta is sin inverse x. This is equals to d by dx of sin inverse x. That's it. And we know that d by dx of sin inverse x is 1 by root 1 minus x square. There ends the problem. Our answer for this problem finally 1 by root 1 minus x square. Have a look.